Hey guys, my name is Jordan Porter and I am the social media director here at VYBE Marketing and Media. And today, this YouTube video is being filmed in front of a live studio audience. So y'all are in for a treat. Today, we are going to be talking about Instagram tips that are actually going to help you and help your business, help get your brand out there. So let's hop right in. First, and very importantly, you need to make sure your bio is on its A game. You need to make sure you have the best profile picture, whether that be it's your own personal brand or if it's your business, have a good logo as your profile picture, as well as a compelling bio that is not only going to help Instagram with the algorithm, but also get your name out there and engage your audience. Second up, we're talking about consistency. And everybody hates that word. Everyone goes, when they think about how often they need to be posting. But you need to do as much as you can do. If you can't post 7 times per week, you don't have to. If that is 3 times per week, if you do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, find the most active times for your audience and just stick with it. That is going to be key, better than going on there once a month and dumping everything. Just be consistent, keep things in your story, keep people noticing you. Next up, engagement. Engagement is the key word in Instagram. Everybody is just trying to figure out how they can engage their audience, better than they are currently and get those numbers up. Building a community on Instagram is a two-way street. It's not just about people commenting and you responding and liking. It's also the other way. Your own personal feed, the businesses and people that you're following, you need to make sure that you're going through, you're liking those, you're commenting on other people's posts. Your name is going to be out there and you are also going to be helping your engagement. Let's talk about hashtags. You have to use them strategically. They are so important, but often are overdone, underdone, or people just don't know where to begin. A good starting point is just pick 4. Pick 4 hashtags. Don't do crazy hashtags. Use ones that you think people are gonna search on Instagram. So when they search, they'll find you. And last but not least, tip number 5, you need to be analyzing your data. You're going to do the consistent posting, even if that's only 3 days a week. You're going to be using relevant hashtags. But if you aren't going back previous months, looking at your reports and seeing what is working and what is not working, you're not gonna grow. You need to go see when people are active, when people are engaging with your profile, and then you can accurately adjust your content to further your reach. And there you have it, 5 Instagram tips that are actually gonna help and are actually going to help push your social media to where you want it to be. If you found this video helpful, you liked it, you like the camaraderie, maybe you just like me. No, but actually, if you found this helpful, you are looking forward to more tips and tricks and how we can help better your business, give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye. Siren break. Gotta love them. Okay, we all know that's jokes.